Regression is one of the most fundamental and basic machine learning algorithm. Machine learning regression is a set of machine learning methods that are used to predict a continuous value. For example, predicting price of a house given the features of the house like number of rooms and area of the house, etc. Regression is a supervised machine learning technique. Machine learning regression also attempts to determine the strength of the relationship between two or more variables. The column values that are used to predict the output are called features or independent variables like number of rooms and area of the house. The column value that is predicted is called dependent variable or label like price of the house. Common example of machine learning regression is predicting the sales of a product or predicting price of a product, etc. Common regression machine learning algorithms are linear regression, lasso regression, support vector regression, XGBoost regression, etc. Classification is one of the most fundamental and basic supervised machine learning technique. After understanding the training data, the classification model determines which label should be given to a new data. In machine learning, classification is a process of predicting a class label for a given example of input data. In machine learning, classification is a process of predicting a class label for a given example of input data. Classification use cases are like predict whether a given email is spam or not spam. Given patient's training data related to diabetes, predict whether a patient will have diabetes or not. Classification is different from regression in the sense that classification is about predicting a label like diabetes or no diabetes. However, regression is about predicting a quantity like price of a house. The column values that are used to predict the output are called features or independent variables, and the column value that is predicted is called dependent variable or label. On your screen, the yellow line represents the decision boundary and the yellow line is trying to classify the green and red dots. We can see the instances of green class and red class on each side of this line. Our intention while training a classification model is to find a perfect decision boundary. The perfect decision boundary means it is drawn in such a way that all the green points are on one side and all the red points are on the other side of the boundary line. At the end of the iteration, the yellow line is successfully able to classify the green class and the red class.